How to post rent on Facebook Marketplace. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First of all, open up the Facebook application on your device. If you don't have this app, you can download it from Play Store or App Store. Now, you need to make sure that you have logged into your account. After that, you want to tap on the Marketplace icon at the top of your screen. Or you can also tap on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen and select Marketplace from here. Once you are over here, you want to tap on the Sell option. Then here select Properties for Sale or Rent option. After that, the first step is to tap on Add Photos. Then from your gallery, you want to upload the photos of your house or apartment. Then enter the title. After that, you want to enter your rent price. Then over here on the category, you want to select Properties for Rent. Now you need to enter the location from here. Once the location is set, you want to enter the description. Make sure you enter a detailed description which is going to help you rent out this property faster. You want to type in your contact details on the description so that the potential customers will be able to contact you directly. Once you have entered all the details, tap on the next button at the top. Now, if you want to share your listing in groups, you can join them from here as well. Otherwise, tap on the publish option. Now from here, tap on your listing option, and as you can see, you have successfully posted the rent on Facebook Marketplace. If you have any questions or confusions, do leave them on the comment section below, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.